Good morning everyone. To quench your thirst of knowledge, your science teacher Maninder Kaur is here with your next chapter, birds. Means today here in this class we are going to learn about the different body parts of a bird and how do they use their different body parts. Well students, I think you all have seen some birds in your surroundings. Mostly sparrows and parrots are most common birds. Everyone must have seen these birds chirping in your nearby parks or on any nearby tree. Dear children, birds are warm-blooded creatures with a backbone. The living things with a backbone are known as vertebrates. So the birds are also known as vertebrates. Here one more term is used for birds, that is warm-blooded. Basically, animals are divided into two different parts, that are warm-blooded and cold-blooded. My dear students, warm-blooded organisms are which can maintain their body temperature. They keep their body temperature constant. And cold-blooded organisms are that which can change their body temperature according to their environment. But as birds are warm-blooded, so they have a fixed body temperature, means they keep their body temperature constant. One more alluring things about birds is that birds are of many different colors. Some are so colorful and attractive like peacocks and parrots, etc. Now we are going to discuss about different body parts of a bird. Students, as our body has many different parts and they perform their different specific functions, in the same way a body of bird has also many different parts like beak, crown, nape, breast, belly, tarsus, wings and tail. Every part has a specific function like in our body. Different parts are there and they perform different functions. Like beak helps them to intake their food, as our mouth. Wings and feathers help a bird to fly. Like you all, birds also have eyes to see and ears to hear. They produce their young ones by laying eggs. Dear students, do you know we all, including all animals, birds and plants, have a common creator, our God Almighty. We are the best creation of our God, but a bird is also a masterpiece of his craft. So a bird's body is designed suitable to flight. Students, a bird's body has some special features that help them to fly very easily, like streamlined and light body. Next is hollow bones, wings to flight at the place of arms. Like we have arms to grasp the things, but birds have wings to fly. Strong breast muscles to flap wings and feathers. Lungs with an air sac to provide extra oxygen during flight. Now after this we are going to discuss about the feet and claws of the birds. Dear students, claws and feet of birds are having a special shape that suit their perching and food habits. They use their claws for climbing, protecting, holding food, swimming and for resting, etc. So according to their feet, birds are of many types. First type is wading birds. Here I need to clear the meaning of the word wading. Wading means walk through water or other liquid with efforts. Crane and jacana are two common examples of this category. These birds have long legs and wide spreading toes. Their feet help them to walk through water and mud without getting their body wet. The next type is swimming birds. Swimming birds like duck and penguin have webbed feet to swim. These birds are good swimmers but walk very slow. Afterwards, the third type is perching birds. These birds have long and slender claws with 3 toes in front and 1 at back. The most common examples of perching birds are sparrow and finches. The next type is scratching birds. These birds have strong feet with 3 toes in front and 1 at the back. Each toe has a sharp claw to scratch the ground in search of seeds and insects present in ground. The common example of scratching bird is hen. The last type of bird is birds of prey. The birds that eat flesh of other animals or birds come under this category, like eagle, vulture and hawk. These birds have strong and sharp claws to hold the prey tightly while flying. Well, this was all about your today's class about different type of feet present in different birds. Now I am going to end this class here only. Thanks for watching my video. Have a good day.